and welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 11th to the 15th of May 2026 on Monday. Kawa confirmed the truth and it hit harder than expected. The Mabandla tried to rebuild, but something is still broken, and one moment spiraled into a disaster no one can stop on Tuesday. Azande fight for his life and the power that comes with it. Zolega is forced into a choice that could cost her everything, while Zetu's heart leads her straight into danger on Wednesday. Nomfundiso arrives and demand answers no one give. She is asking ubani obezama ukubulela ke indodana yakhe uAzande. The past comes crashing back with devastating force, and Zetu realizes she is running out of options on Thursday. Azande wakes up and everything changes. The Mabandla put their hopes on Zetu as the pressure mount that what's been building between Xolani and Zetu can no longer be denied. On Friday, Azande has the sudden urge to expose everything. The Mabandla walks into a hearing that could change their lives forever. Zetu throws a spinner in the works that could ruin everything for the Zondos. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.